Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Home and Beyond. Today we are starting an exciting new topic about how plants and animals survive in different environments. From scorching deserts to freezing polar regions and dense rainforests, every living thing has special ways to adapt to thrive. Let's explore how nature has designed them to survive in extreme conditions. 6.3 Plants and animals are adapted to different environments. Getting started. Look at the photographs. Which photograph shows a hot, wet environment? Why? Photo A shows a hot, wet environment because it has many green trees, water, and a bright sky which looks like a rainforest. Which photograph shows a cold environment? Why? Photo B shows a cold environment because it has barren land, little vegetation, and some snow on the mountains which look like a tundra. Which animals might live in each region? Photo A rainforest, monkeys, parrots, frogs. Photo B cold tundra, arctic foxes, reindeer, snow hares. What might these animals eat? Rainforest animals, fruits, insects, small animals. Cold region animals, moss, lichens, fish, small rodent. Adaptations of plants and animals in hot, dry environments. Adaptations are features that help plants and animals to live in their environments. In a hot, dry environment, there is a very little water. The small amount of rain dries up quickly because of heat. Plants and animals are adapted to these conditions by using very little water. The cactus plant and the camel are both good examples. Look at the picture carefully. Long eyelashes to keep stand out of eyes. Thick lips so they can eat thorny desert plants. Camels can survive for a week or more without water and several months with no food. Humps store fat for energy. White tough feet so they can walk on hard sand more easily. Smaller animals like rats and lizards also live in hot, dry places. They dig burrows to stay in during the hot days. They only come out of their burrows at night when it is cooler. Activity 1. Adaptations of plants and animals in wet environments. Water lilies and lotus plants live in water. They have adaptations such as large flat leaves which float on the water. Big air spaces in the leaves and stems so they can float and leaves can absorb sunlight at the water surface. Weak stems because the water supports the plant. Small roots because the plant is in water all the time and doesn't need to be anchored in the soil. Fish are adapted to their environments because they have gills. Gills allow fish to absorb oxygen from the water. Fins allow fish to move through the water. Many birds, such as ducks and geese, swim in water. They have webbed feet to help them to do this. This is like wearing slippers when you go swimming. Seabirds have waterproof feathers so that they can dive for food. Seabirds also have special glands that get rid of salt that they take in when they drink seawater. Flamingos live in a shallow water environment. Their long, thin legs allow them to walk through water easily. Their long, flexible necks allow them to reach food below the water surface. Think like a scientist. Adaptations of plants and animals in cold environments. There are very cold environments in the far north and the far south of the world. Remember, these are the regions that have long summer days but also very long dark winters. There is not much rain, but there is a lot of snow in winter. Some animals have thick fur to keep them warm. But during the winter, when there is no food, some animals either hibernate or migrate. The soil in cold regions freezes in winter. In summer, the top few centimeters thaw. Trees and other plants have adaptations for these conditions. For example, trees have resins on their bark. This is a sticky substance that helps to keep the tree warm and prevents the tree from losing moisture. Activity 2. So, whether it's a cactus storing water in the desert, a camel surviving without water for days, a flamingo standing in salty lakes, or a polar bear staying warm with thick fur, every living thing has special adaptations. Even trees in cold regions have thick bark and resin to keep them warm and prevent water loss. Nature has designed each plant and animal perfectly to survive in its environment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Home and Beyond for more educational content. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.